Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a focus scratch project and immediately import or draw your Barbie sprite with 3 outfits so you can prototype fast. Once done, set the stage to 480 x 360 and organize layers so graphics won't overlap while you script. Next, map out the core mechanics: left/right movement, outfit change control, a score variable, and a simple collision rule for goals. Start scripting small. Test movement and costume changes before adding scoring or enemies to keep iterations quick and clear. Now you construct the main gameplay. Tie left/right arrow keys to exposition changes and add clamps so Barbie never leaves the stage. Glide blocks smooth motion. Then create a change costume broadcast that cycles 3 costumes and plays a click sound so feedback feels immediate. Implement a score variable that increases when Barbie touches goal sprites and decreases for hazards. Once those work, add a simple timer or a 1-2-3 difficulty toggle to increase spawn rate or speed, making the game progressively challenging. To finish, you add start and end screens, display lives or a timer, and save a high score variable so sessions feel complete. Polish visuals with consistent colors, add sound effects and background music at low volume, and optimize performance by resizing costumes and using clones for repeating objects like obstacles or collectibles. Finally, test full runs and fix common issues. If scores carry over, make sure you reset variables on restart. If collisions misfire, verify broadcast timing and collision order to eliminate unpredictable behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.